All right. So as I mentioned, today we're going to talk.
Yes.
All right. Thank you for confirming that. As I mentioned, today we're going to talk about non-biodegradable waste. And as Sejal and Shiva, two students, just shared, like there are two types of waste. They beautifully explained that how there are two kinds of waste. One is biodegradable and one is non-biodegradable. All right. So I see plastic, glass, old paper, plastic bottles, glass, shampoo bottles, plastic bottles, wrappers, plastic wrappers of cookies, plastic bottles, glass, shampoo bottles, wrappers, plastic bottles. Okay. All right. Plastic bottles. Okay, great. So thank you for sharing this, everyone. And as you might have noticed, like the responses are still coming from a lot of students. All right, plastic wrappers, plastic spoons, old boxes, cookie boxes. So as you might have seen, like when we talk about non-biodegradable waste, most of the students, they shared that it is plastic. So almost most of the responses that we saw in the chat box is that the non-biodegradable waste is plastic waste. So which is why, plastic is something that is present everywhere. It is visible to us and it is almost there in every dustbin. That is why most of us shared plastic waste. So plastic is doing to our planet. And the video that we just saw is of an island known as Midway Island, which is located inside the Pacific Ocean. And this island is located at least 200 miles away from any human habitation. So there is no human around this island for at least 2000 miles. And even then plastic has reached this island. And this plastic, like this bird is known as albatross. So this bird is actually mistakes the plastic for food, and so the bird is eating this plastic because it thinks it's food, and it's also giving this plastic to its babies. And so this is how badly the plastic is impacting our planet. So the plastic has reached, even though we humans have not reached this island, we are 2000 miles away from this island, but still our plastic has reached over here. So this is how badly this plastic is impacting our planet. And actually this is not just about this island, but if we talk about plastic, it's everywhere. Like our activities, the activities of us humans, it has produced so much plastic waste that right now it's everywhere. So if we have thrown plastic in the moon and in the outer space also. So there is plastic in outer space, and surprisingly plastic is there on Mount Everest, which is the highest point of Earth. And also plastic has been found in Mariana Trench. So Mariana Trench is known as the deepest ocean, like the deepest point of Earth. So plastic is everywhere due to our plastic wrappers of chips, chocolate and other wrappers. So what we can do is we can capture all this plastic waste in one single bottle, and it is very simple to do this. So all we need to do is we need to take a plastic bottle. This bottle has to be empty, it has to be clean and dry, and we can put all our plastic waste inside it. So all I'm going to do is take my plastic waste, put it inside this bottle, and then I need something like this, a stick. You can use a stick or a rod to put the plastic inside it. So you have to tightly compress the plastic inside the plastic bottle. So here's another piece of plastic. I'll just put it in the bottle, and then I use the stick to compress it. So we're going to keep adding plastic wrappers like this and keep compressing them. So this plastic bottle, like this is a very small plastic bottle, but it can have more than 600 to 700 plastic wrappers in just one bottle. So all I have to do is keep adding the plastic to the bottle and compressing it with something, a stick or a pipe. I have to compress the plastic wrappers. So after some time, while I have added a lot of plastic wrappers, this is going to look something like this. So this is half filled plastic, like Eco Brick, where I have filled the bottle with plastic wrappers. And finally, when we have put all the plastic wrappers in the bottle, it is going to look something like this. So this is an Eco Brick that is like that is full of its capacity, in which like all the space has been filled by plastic wrappers. So I have like 3 Eco Bricks with me, which are filled with plastic. So each of them has at least 8 to 900 plastic wrappers inside it. So all the single-use plastic can be added to a plastic bottle, and now we see that the plastic that would be there in environment, that would be over there in environment, is now captured